be teaching you what I eat in a day. Okay, we back with another one. So how I like to start off my morning. Picked up some vanilla almond with flax granola. Very, very tasty cereal. Yes, Nature's Path, organic. Pour that into your bowl with some almond milk and blueberries. So after I pour it into my cereal, next I have to have the almond milk, unsweetened, original. I don't use vanilla or original. I use unsweetened original. Pour that in, just a little bit under the cereal. Just give it a great taste. You don't need that much. Next up, we have my favorite fruit, which is blueberries. Put a couple of those in, and if you watch my last video, then you'll know that these are skin boosters, brain boosters, combat aging, many other health benefits that go along with this. So I was looking for some hydration for lunch today. So I made me a fruit and vegetable bowl with healthy skin tea. So the reason I went with this for lunch is because we all know, well, if you haven't known, fruit and vegetables is about 80% of water. So this is a good way to get that sweet craving that you're looking for, while also hydrating your body, moisturizing your skin, and all the other health benefits that go along with eating fruit. So as you can see, I got pears, and I cut up some pears, I cut up strawberries. I'm also going to cut up some vegetables right after. One being celery. Cut that up into little small pieces. And then after, I'm going to cut up carrots. Celery is about 90% water. All just to moisturize your skin for lunch. This really fills you up more than meat products. So I was watching this documentary and it was saying that vegetables and fruits fill the human stomach up more than anything else. So this is really beneficial, and it really holds you until whenever you want to eat dinner, which is whatever time is good for you. If it's 6 p.m. or 8 p.m., whatever time you eat dinner, this will really hold you over, especially with the tea, and you can also snack in between meals. Now, my favorite brand of tea, my favorite type of tea, healthy skin tea. This really works. I'm not promoting this product. You don't have to buy it. I'm just telling you my opinion on this healthy skin tea. Cinnamon is overall good for your skin off the jump. So drinking this tea really helps. Very tasty. I've been drinking this for a while now. I've seen benefits from my skin being more moisturized, especially if you're drinking the tea every single morning or eating fruit with it or anything. This tea is really good. So I just add the tea to my cup, pour some hot water into it, let the tea bag sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir it up, then it's ready to drink. So you all might have seen that delicious meal. Let me show you how I make it. First, you boil some hot water, break up the spaghetti, and drop it in the pot. Then you stir for around 9 to 10 minutes. Make sure you stir it good. Every around 1 or 2 minutes you stir it. But while that's cooking, I'm gonna go over here and make some falafel balls, which is my favorite. These are easy to make. Preheat the oven to 205 degrees Celsius and place them in the oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. Now once your spaghetti is done, it should look like this. You drain out the water and you just drop it right on your plate. Smoke, steam coming from it. It's delicious. Now I already had vegetables made, so I just added them on to this meal. These are stir fry, snap peas, corn, all different types of vegetables. So now once the falafel balls are finished, I take them out, then I just add them onto the meal. I need a name for this. I don't know what to call this. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, if you guys want more what I eat in a day videos, please like, comment, subscribe for more. I'm out. Peace.